Welcome to a 1-2-3 tutorial. Today we will show you how to make a patch in 5 minutes. We need thread and needle for an embroidery machine, scissors, felt, fleece and glue to seal seams. Place the fleece in the embroidery hoop. Check that the fabric is taut and tightened to the hoop screw. We will use 5 by 5 inches of felt fabric. Pin the fabric. Use the embroidery sheet to make sure that you don't go over the edge of the needles. Now place the hoop on the embroidery unit carriage. Enter the menu to the default designs and select the design of your preference. Lower the presser foot and start sewing. When the embroidery is complete, return to the menu and select the frame pattern shape of your preference. Then, select the stitch of your choice. Check that the design is centered and start embroidering. Remove the hoop from the machine and cut the outline of the patch. Cut the closest to the edge of the seam. Finally, apply the glue to seal seams around the contour of the patch. Remember that this technique can be used with any design of your sewing machine. Let the patch dry and it's ready! Thanks for watching us, and remember that we have more sewing tips like this one on our official website 123dreamatch.com.